Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my cinnamon pecan brown sugar fried chicken. Yes, indeed. This is a sauce that goes on top of your chicken after you fry it. I'm fried 3 chicken thighs because I'm cooking too much, y'all. So I have to cut it down. Can't nobody eat it. So anyway, I got 3 chicken thighs freshly out the frying pan, and here I got some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and pecans. Over here I got some melted butter, and I'm gonna pour all this in there together just like that. All like that. And I'll be right back and let you show what we do next, okay? All right, we're gonna let it get to a syrupy ball just like this, and we're gonna let this cook about maybe 3 or 4 more minutes, because we want it kind of thick and want those pecans to be kind of roasted in that sauce, y'all, in that sauce. And we'll be right back. So you want it kind of thin like that. Now we're gonna let it cook about like I said, another 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll show you what we do next, okay? Right, what we're gonna do now is pour our sauce on top of our chicken just like that, just all over. The pecans and the brown sugar and the cinnamon and the butter. That's some good chicken, y'all. That's some good chicken. And we're going to let it sit like that for just a second or two. And we'll be right back and let you see what delicious this chicken is, y'all. Look at that. Oh, ain't that beautiful? All right, we're going to get ready to bite our wonderful chicken. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the pecans on there, y'all. Have you ever had chicken like this before? You need to try this. We're going to bite this. We'll get a small one. And taste it and see what it tastes. Look at that. Oh, it's sticky. And cinnamon and brown sugar and taste it. It's so hot. Let's rub it, y'all. That is delicious. Pecans. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. The butter. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. This is delicious. Look at that. Crazy. Now you can put any ingredients you want. Excuse me for smacking. This is delicious. This is a treat for those who fry chicken all the time and want something different. Try this. It's magnificent, y'all. It's good. So I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these wonderful recipes. It's fabulous, y'all. This is fabulous. My heart has dropped it, y'all. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. I got something to say. Now this proves a point that this man's lied on everything. Why should we trust him as our leader? And he lied on a simple fact that you can fact check and see that it is wrong. You don't think when you think of a lie. You just go run straight to it. He did not feel like someone gonna verify that you lied. You do not lie. Because when you say one lie, you follow another lie. Another lie. Another lie. You keep lying because you keep lying. You can't stop lying because you can't help yourself. So he lied. And that is so terrible to the American people to vote for him because he is full of lies.
Washington, Donald Trump, who as president withheld hurricane aid to Puerto Rico and threatened to withhold wildfire assistance to California, on Monday falsely accused President Joe Biden of failing to help Hurricane Helene's flood victims in western North Carolina and Georgia, having left Americans to drown in the South.
Let me get this straight. He's lying. And the governor told him he was lying. The governor told him he's lying. I've spoken to the governor, spent time with him, and he told me he's lying. I don't know why he does this. And the reason I get so angry about it, I don't care about what he says about me. I care what he communicates to the people that are in need. He implies that we're not doing everything possible. We are. And you spoke to the governor, I assume you heard the Republican governor of Georgia talk about that he was on the phone with me more than once. So that's simply not true, and it's irresponsible.
He's been calling the president. He hasn't been able to get him, Trump said of Georgia's governor, fellow Republican Brian Kemp, in his remarks to reporters in Valdosta, a city in the southern part of the state. It was a lie, refuted by Kemp himself earlier that day. "Oh, the president just called me yesterday afternoon. I missed him and I called him right back," Kemp told reporters. "And he just said, 'Hey, what do you need?'" That falsehood was the latest in a string of lies Trump has issued about the response by Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris, the Democratic nominee for president, to the Category 4 storm that came ashore late Thursday. Just before flying to Valdosta, the coup-attempting former president posted on social media about western North Carolina. "I'll be there shortly, but don't like the reports that I'm getting about the federal government and the Democrat governor of the state going out of their way to not help people in Republican areas. MAGA."
Now this proves a point that this man's lie on everything. Why should we trust him as our leader? And he lied on a simple fact that you can fact check and see that it is wrong. You don't think when you think of a lie. You just run straight to it. He did not feel like someone gonna verify that you lied. You do not lie. Because when you say one lie, you follow another lie, another lie, another lie. You keep lying because you keep lying. You can't stop lying because you can't help yourself. So he lied. And that is so terrible to the American people to vote for him because he is full of lies.